Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW guys 3 Series generation 2005 guys to 2013, you have 6-cylinder engine and you're trying to remove and replace your Valvetronic motor. That should work guys on 323, 325, 328, 330 guys. BMW that uses the N51, N52 or even N53 engine. So stay with us, we'll cover that as we go guys. We'll cover everything from start to finish. If you need to buy any replacement parts to use new Valvetronic motor, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all our parts from. Now, before we start guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on this BMW 3 Series we'll have close to 400 or 500 videos. Why we do all that guys? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Let me show you guys what we have here. This is the 6-cylinder engine, this is N52 engine, but even if you have N51, N52, N53 engine, the procedure will be almost the same. Now we have the front end apart because we'll be doing quite a bit of work here on that engine. We'll have videos for pretty much anything, and if you want guys, check out this channel. That's our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. We have very helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on repairs, testing sensors, diagnostics, engine diagnostic codes, relays, fuses, things like that. So subscribe, we'll be putting out quite helpful information. First, you need to remove your engine cover. Grab and pull it up guys. There are two designs. One is where it attaches to the engine, okay, with bushings to these posts right here. Or sometimes you have screws, you will see that you need to remove. Once you remove it, you get to your Valvetronic motor right here. Now, that being said guys, this is the motor, and you think, okay, that's pretty simple to replace, right? You have two screws, one here, one there, and you're done. But no guys, you have another hidden screw that you cannot see, and I'm going to show you where it's located. We'll remove the ignition coil on cylinder number 3 and 4. Okay. Open the cap, remove the wire, pull the coils up. Perfect. And now if you look on the other side, okay, right there on the bottom there is another bolt, and you'll be approaching this one from this side. Now, in order to get to that bolt, we need to remove the wiring harness here. We need to pull it up and then out. We'll be using reverse torque socket, okay, all the tools and parts that we use. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. So, we'll remove that wire now with the ground wire for the ignition coils, and later you need to reconnect all that or your car will not perform guys. Then there is another one on the other side. Okay, I think I can get this one by hand from that point on so we don't drop it. Okay, perfect. Now check it out. If you leave that wiring harness, it will come up, and then we can pull it a little bit out guys. Okay, now practically you cannot do much. Why? Okay, because guys, okay, you still have the other ignition coils unless you want to disconnect all of them. We have the two already installed there. It's again a reverse torque socket guys, and I'm going to explain which one it is, okay, in a second. But now, okay, we're still, okay, hold on a second now, okay, to see what else is holding here, because we still have something holding. And now we're going to remove that bolt. So let me show you now. If we come on this side, you can see we have the socket installed, we have the two there, okay, and now, okay, you can see we got it loose guys. Okay, we got it loose, and now it's gonna go by hand. This is the two that we're using. We'll have to use the socket. Okay, 1 second. Okay, right there. We'll have to use the socket with the extension to actually remove it. Okay, let me see if I can come this way maybe and do it with the screwdriver. So we got the screwdriver in an angle a little bit, so it's a little bit shorter, and we're turning the bolt now. It's very important not to drop that bolt once you remove it, guys. Okay, you can see how it's coming out. Very, very inconvenient place for that bolt, by the way. But it should come out in a little bit. Okay, we just have a little bit more here holding, and we will get it loose. Okay, you can see it's coming out of the thread. And let's see how long it is. Oh, still a little bit more holding. So it got loose, guys. You have to unscrew it quite a bit. Careful not to drop it. Okay, and that's what that bolt looks like. That gives you so much headache, guys. This is it. You can see that's what it looks like. This is the bolt, smaller than the other ones. Now we have two on top that we need to remove. We need to disconnect the wiring harness. Let's do that. How we do that? Okay, pretty simple. Squish right here, press in on both sides, and start disconnecting the motor. Okay, perfect. And this one came out. Now we're going to remove the two bolts. These two bolts actually will come with, let me see if they come with that metal piece or they don't, to make sure that we don't lose it. Okay, one bolt is out. Now we're going to get another one on this side, right here. This is the second one. Okay, second one coming out. Now we grab and we pull that motor out, guys. Okay, and you can see the Valvetronic motor came out just like that. So if you need to replace it, guys, always inspect your gasket here too, because that gasket, if it's leaking, you'll be having quite a bit of oil here in the spark plugs, and we do. So we have a problem there. But when you're ready to install it, get a new one, or if you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. We'll have a video how to test those as well, guys. Okay, you're going to go, okay, in where you're supposed to be. You push it in all the way, and you just install the two bolts, get them tight while you're pushing it in. That way it can put a little bit of pressure on the that shaft on the inside with the gear, and just get them tight, guys. And you get the idea. That's how we do it. The bottom bolt as well, a little bit complicated, guys. Not so complicated, but a little bit inconvenient, because that bottom bolt is very hard to reach. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more help, and see you guys next time.